What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a top knot bun, and it's my first time doing this bun, so please bear with me. If you are interested in seeing how I will be achieving that top knot bun, please stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to brush my hair, of course. This is my first attempt in doing it, so yeah. I was watching a video last night and I like what I saw, so I decided to try it. Yeah. It's my sponge that I'll be using. Just gonna put a small amount of gel in the hair. Yeah. So for the end of my hair, I'm going to just plait the end here because I want to try as much as possible to eliminate the breaking or breakage at the end of my hair. So yeah. The next thing that I'm gonna do is to use a rubber band to kind of knot the end. So yeah, because my hair is processed, so it's always gonna pull out. And I just wrap it like that. Next, I'm gonna use my hair I'm gonna try to detangle it. And I'm gonna separate the hair in like 3 sections. And I'm going to swallow it around. And this is here. I'm going to put it here with this part here. Guys, at this point I could not wait to start wrapping the hair, finish twining, but as y'all can see I was not there as yet, so I have to continue twining the braid. So guys, I went ahead and wrapped the bun off camera, so yeah, this is the end result. So this is my first attempt. I'm gonna promise you guys for the second tryout it's gonna be bigger and better. So until that video, stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload another video. Until then, bye.